looking at the biggest superstars on video sharing site Vine, like Thomas Sanders, who has over 5 million followers hooked on his 6-second story times. Take a look.
Storytime. The lad decided to do the honorable thing and share his treat with mother. Oh, storytime. The man knew exactly what to do to embarrass his son. Storytime. The man came to the bus stop every day to pick up hot chicks. Storytime. It was clear that a romance was blossoming between them. No! A romance lasting a lifetime.
From Gainesville, Florida, please welcome Thomas Sanders.
How are you guys doing?
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Welcome. Good to be here.
Yeah, your energy is great.
Thank you.
So are you making money off of these videos?
Oh yeah, actually a lot of stripping, a lot of exotic dancing. No, but actually, I mean, mostly my videos are done, no money, nothing. But sometimes, you know, if like Sam's Car Wash wants to, you know, get their name out there. The thing that's popular right now is viral videos, and what better way to do that than to ask one of a person on Vine or YouTube with a lot of followers get their name out.
With 5 million followers, it's a good business.
Yeah,
It's a good way to get things out.
So many people, obviously such a huge following. But what do you do with all this long term? What do you do with this following you have now?
Well, I love to correspond with a lot of my fans. They're all over the world. It's fantastic to talk to them and get to know their story. But what I would love to do, my end game, is to voice act. I do a lot of, you know, I try to go into my narrator voice a lot, and I would love to voice act, but the end game would really be Broadway. I'm a very theatrical person, if you hadn't guessed. So.
Oh, that would be fun. Yeah, you have a good voice. So I heard that you have a special video for us here at The View.
Yes, this was my little preparation this morning for The View.
Let's see it.
And I thought I was high maintenance.
This is the price of beauty, darling. Where's my cafe latte?
Did anyone ever get hurt in the making of any of your videos? Anything dangerous ever happen?
Well, we actually had an accidental stabbing.
Okay.
I know, no, it's totally fine. We were doing an operation-based Vine, so based off the game. So we were all in scrubs, and we were like, let's go for full realism. Let's use a sterilized scalpel. Bad idea. And so we were all reaching, and then she got nicked, and there was blood. She fainted from the blood. She did not like blood.
Right.
She came to, and then she was, she thought she was in a real hospital.
I'm glad she's okay. You're adorable. So please be sure to catch more of Thomas Sanders on Vine. Stacey London and Samantha will be back.